Cosmopolitan published a first magazine for which the cover was created by AI. The image in it is made by Craiyon, wide-angle shot from below, of a female astronaut with an athletic feminine body, walking with swagger toward camera on Mars in an infinite universe. Synthwave digital art. Блять. Allegedly, the image was made in 20 seconds. Women who see it are supposed to be inspired to become astronauts? No, to study artificial intelligence. 20 seconds? Holy cow, what cool technology! But what should honest artists do now, I thought. Is a robot really capable of creating a masterpiece? But then an inner voice said to me, Mark, it is Cosmopolitan, we have to double check it. And of course, as it turned out, it took 20 seconds to generate the latest finished picture. In fact, the process took several weeks, liters of coffee, lots of money, a carload of discussions and the whole set of failed drawings. Today, we're going to find out, can AI really create a masterpiece in a short time? And will we have time to enjoy the beautiful artwork before the robots realize it's time to take over the planet and stamp out an army of Schwarzeneggers? Pour your favorite drink, hit the like button, write your naturally generated comments, and let's begin. But first, I'll pour myself a favorite drink too, the kvass. Here we go. Так, блять. Today, I'm going to ask the great computer to do for me epic illustrations of the great famous Slavic story of the struggle against nature. In my narration. At the end, I will read out the story with these illustrations. We will use the site Craiyon.com. Here it is. Our task is to write the necessary query. First, we need a Soviet old man planting a turnip. Draw. In the meantime, I'll have some kvass. As you can see, the process takes more than 20 seconds. There will be a lot of montage and a lot of trips to the bathroom. So, is it a man? Is it a man? Is it a man? There is no turnip anywhere, and there's some kind of monster at the bottom. Anyway, we will work with what we have. I choose you, whoever you are. Next, grandpa who talks to turnips. Of course I will cut it down, cut it up, left, cut it right. How do you determine which word to insert? What, блять? Too much traffic. I don't know what is causing this error. Is he in a bad mood? Draw! Hello, what? It's back. I'm not afraid of you. Go away. 20 seconds, really? Really, Cosmopolitan? Here we go. How beautiful is every picture here. Oh my... What's wrong with their faces? I like this one and this one, but I will choose this one because it's levitating. Next, big Soviet man at the big table with the food. Draw. Come on. What's wrong with you? I guess we have to reload the page every time we want to make a new picture. But it's okay. We have kvass. Oh, is it a Hitler? Бля, я так и думал. The man looks like an alien Churchill. Let's take him. It will be a good kid's tale. Trust me, I read those when I was a kid. I can't drink that much kvass. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hands. Soviet grandfather gets scared. Oh, it scares me. What the hell is that? Is it a glass in your mouth? Scary it is. Let's pick something what not looking at us. I don't know what Cosmopolitan did, but all I get is some scary shit. A huge turnip in the solar system. Oh, look at this. The size I need is for the cover of Vegetable Gardening magazine. Cosmo Vegetable. Talking turnip in the solar system. He's not talking. An old man points to a huge turnip. Come on, thingy. Generate some more creepy pictures. Давай. He's not pointing. There's no old man at all. Oh my god. I won't be able to sleep tonight. It's a mess of fingers and it's not even a face. How many fingers are there? This man is yelling. Okay, what is it with your nose? It almost has a face. Oh, I'm scared. Grandma runs with great speed. Here we go. Is it the brain instead of your foot? I'll take this one. Whatever. In short, you get how it works. It is a very long process. So all this year I will be generating pictures and then I will show you the finished result.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm done. There was a lot of scary pictures, but I finished. So now it's time to see what we ended up with. The turnip. One day the grandpa planted a turnip and said, "Grow, grow turnip, grow sweet, grow strong, give my family food and the strength to fight capitalist crap." And all of a sudden, the turnip instantly grew, and that turnip was the tastiest and biggest in the whole world. And it said, "I'm ready, comrade, for the sake of the Union." Grandpa went to get a turnip. He pulled and pulled, but could not pull it out. The turnip has grown too big. The grandpa shouts, "Honorable comrade wife, help me pull this turnip out. After all, it has grown the mightiest in the whole world, and it can only be pulled out with the help of the Soviet woman." Grandma came running, grabbed hold of the grandpa. Grandpa grabbed the turnip. They pull and pull, but they can't get it out. Granny yells, "We need backup!" A mighty comrade granddaughter jump out of the house. Granny grabbed Grandpa. Grandpa grabbed the turnip. They strained their stubborn muscles, but the turnip did not give up. Too huge. And the granddaughter cried out in a bass voice, "What shall we do?" And a dog jumped out of the kennel, breaking the chain, and said, "Don't be afraid, Natasha. I'll help you as a faithful comrade." Grabbed hold of the granddaughter. Granddaughter for grandmother, grandmother for grandfather, grandfather for the turnip. They pull and pull, but they can't pull it out. Grandpa began to suspect whether the turnip was resisting, but for a while he calmed down his KGB colonel's instincts. Comrade Dog howled, "We need more forces on the line!" A comrade cat responded to the call and rushed to the aid of his compatriots. She wrapped her arms around the dog, dog for granddaughter, granddaughter for grandmother, grandmother for grandfather, grandfather for the turnip. 1, 2, pull! But no. Oh, turnip, tough Soviet vegetable. Maybe we should dig up the turnip, Granny said. "No, I have an alternative solution," sighed the cat. Granny was afraid of talking animals, but did not argue. The situation did not allow. "Mouse! Requesting help! Mouse!" screamed the cat. Suddenly, a mouse jumped out from under the house, lifting scraps of earth into the air. "I would give my life for the idea, comrades." The mouse wrapped its mighty Soviet paws around the cat. The cat tightened its grip on the dog. Dog for granddaughter, granddaughter for grandmother, grandmother for grandfather, grandfather for the turnip. Let's try harder than ever. We bet everything on it. This root vegetable is a test of our faith. For Lenin, for the motherland. 1, 2, let's go, блядь! The ground trembled, the mouse sweated from the pressure, and the turnip was pulled out. The end. It was one of the most popular tales among the Slavs, but of course I added a little. There you go. This is what Cosmopolitan should look like if its authors had actually taken 20 seconds to do the cover, without their capitalist clickbait. I don't know. Could the AI replace the artist? Write in the comments. If you enjoyed this kind of video, hit the like button. I have more great Soviet fairy tales. And that's all for today. My name is Mark. Subscribe, comment, like, and see you next time.